Another method that is useful is the get method. And basically it if you try to access an element that's not in a dictionary, then it causes an error. So let's try that. We'll create a dictionary. It's going to be an empty dictionary, and then we're going to print d name. And so since this dictionary is empty, obviously it can't find it. What will happen? Well, we get an error. So it gives us the trace back. It says that in this file, when we try to print d name, it said it couldn't, key error, name. That means that it couldn't find name inside of our dictionary. However, if you use the get method, which would be d, which is the name of our dictionary, dot get name, you actually won't get an error. Let's try running this version. Notice that it's not an error. It just returns none. And so this is kind of useful. So let's say that we have a dictionary. Let's see, we can grab something that we made before. Maybe we'll grab this phone book. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to create a dictionary, ask user for name, display info for that name. So here's this dictionary that we have. And we're going to say name is equal to input. Please enter a name. And then we're going to say info is equal to phone book dot, and we're going to use the get, and we will pass in name, and then we will, I guess we have two steps here. Really, this should be get info, and then we will display the info for that name. And we'll run this. And I'll put in Cecil, and we get the information. So that works fine. Now let's run it again. And there's Alice, Beth, and Cecil, but there isn't Rob. So I'll put in Rob, and we see that we get none. But notice it doesn't break the program. It doesn't give us an error message. So this is a much kinder way of dealing with there not being something in the dictionary. So get is often a great way to get information until we get to exception handling, in which case we will want the exceptions because we'll be able to write code to deal specifically with that. But if you don't want to use exception handling, or if you don't have exception handling yet, get is a great way to get things out of a dictionary. Thank you.